If you want to add plugins or third-party tools to your GoDaddy website builder, this tutorial is going to walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to add a custom contact form, a booking calendar, a social media widget, or any other embedded tool, the easiest way is by using custom HTML code. And don't worry, you do not need to be a developer to follow along. I'll show you exactly where to click, what to add, and how to publish everything so your new feature appears on your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your GoDaddy website editor and sign in to the account that owns the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, choose the page where you want the new feature to appear. This is important because the plugin or widget will only show up on the page and section where you place it. If you want the feature on your home page, select that page. If you want it on a contact page or booking page, go there instead. Next, look for the area of the page where you want to update the layout. In that section, click Add Section. GoDaddy Website Builder lets you insert new content blocks into different parts of your page, and this is where we're going to place the embedded tool. After clicking Add Section, you'll see a search bar. Type HTML into the search bar and select the HTML option from the results. This is the section that allows you to insert custom code into your page. Once you select HTML, click Add to place the section onto your page. Now you'll see a settings panel on the right-hand side. This is where you'll add your custom code. Paste the embed code from your third-party tool into the custom code field. This code might come from your booking app, form provider, calendar tool, or widget service. Make sure you paste the full code exactly as provided so the feature works properly. Before moving on, take a moment to review the placement and layout. If the section needs to be moved higher or lower on the page, you can adjust it inside the editor. It's always a good idea to preview how the embedded content looks before publishing, especially if the tool has buttons, forms, or scheduling elements that need enough space to display correctly. After you've pasted the code and confirmed everything looks right, the final step is to publish your website. Publishing is what makes your changes live, so until you do that, visitors won't see the new plugin or widget on your site. Click Publish, wait for the process to complete, and then open your live website to test the feature. If it's a contact form, submit a test message. If it's a booking calendar, click through a sample booking. If it's a social widget, make sure it loads correctly. And that's it. You've now added a third-party plugin or embedded tool to your GoDaddy website builder using custom HTML. This is a simple and flexible way to extend your website without needing a separate plugin library. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more GoDaddy and website builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.